Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the bookmarks in Goodnotes in 2026. Do you want to quickly jump between important pages in your notes? Bookmarks in Goodnotes make navigation super easy and very simple. So let's learn how to use them by following these few simple steps. But before we start, I'm gonna give you a quick guide on how to download the application. You can get it on the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. Just you head to the store and look for the Goodnotes application. Once you find it, you're gonna make sure to click on install, and once the installation is completed, you're gonna click on install and you're gonna open the notebook here. You can add or create a new notebook by clicking on the plus new button. For this example or this tutorial on how to use bookmarks, you're gonna just edit an already existing one, for example this one right here. Now you're gonna open the notebook or the page you want to bookmark and tap the bookmark icon. Let's look for the bookmark icon. It should usually be a book here. We're just gonna click on the pages right here, this icon, to display all the pages right here. As you can see here, you can access, as you can see there's a bookmark icon. You can click on it here and you can see all your documents here. You can also click on the three dots in the top right corner and click on bookmark page. As you can see here, you're going to click on bookmark page, and that's it. Your page is bookmarked. As you can see in the screen, the page is bookmarked. Now to access the bookmarks, you're going to open the navigation panel and go to the bookmark section, or exactly here. Now, and that's it. Bookmarks help you navigate your notes instantly and use them to stay organized and save safe. And if you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.